Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create a Pinterest account. So let's get started. So if you want to create a Pinterest account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser. So you can select any browser you like. I'll use my Chrome browser. So after opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for create Pinterest account. After searching for create Pinterest account, now what you can do is just simply tap on this option which is create account, which is from Pinterest. So after tapping on that, now it will take you to the application. So from here you can create your account. And by tapping on that option, now it will take you to this page, and from here what you can do is just simply tap on continue with email to create an account, or you can also tap on continue with Google. If you don't want to manually enter your email address and create a password, you can simply tap on continue with Google and just select your Google account. But what I'll do is I'll just tap on this first option, which is continue with email, and then enter my email address. After entering the email address, now you can just tap on next. After tapping on next, now you have to create a password for your account. So after creating a password, what you can do is just simply tap on next, and now you have to enter your date of birth. After entering the date of birth, just tap on done. After tapping on done, now you have to select your gender. So if you are a male, you can just select male, or just female, or you can select this other one which is specific another. So after selecting your gender, what you can do is just tap on next. After tapping on next, now what you can do is just select a hobby or your interest. So after selecting 5 interests, what you can do is just simply tap on done. And after tapping on done, now what you can do is just tap on continue in browser if you would like to continue in browser, or you can just tap on open app if you have already installed Pinterest in your device. So if you haven't installed Pinterest in your device, then what you can do is just simply open up your Play Store, and after opening up your Play Store, you can just simply install Pinterest. So just open up your Play Store and then search for Pinterest. And after searching for Pinterest, you just have to install your application. So after installing your application, you have to create an account from a browser. So that is why I'm using Chrome browser. So what I'll do is just tap on continue in browser, and after completing all the process, I'll just log in my app. So after doing that, here you can see guys, I have successfully created my account. So now what you can do is just simply install your Pinterest. And after installing your Pinterest, you just have to open up your Pinterest application. And after opening up your Pinterest application, you just have to enter the email address and password, and then you can log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to create a Pinterest account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.